Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Siri on Android. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Play Store app on your mobile device and make sure your Google account is signed in. After that, tap on the search bar at the top and search for Voice Access. Access this app tile and make sure to download it. Once downloaded, open it up and tap on the OK button. Now, make sure to grant it all of the required permissions and get back to the app. Inside it, continue to the end of the process and enable the listening button. After that, continue to the last step and complete the setup. After you tap on the voice assistant button, you may be prompted to download the English audio package. Simply tap on download and wait for it to be completed. Once it does, you will be able to use the assistant by tapping on the floating icon. So that's basically how you can use Siri on Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.